Imagine this. You're watching a calm night in the African savannah, when suddenly, every sensor, every drone, every algorithm wakes up. Not a human, not a ranger, but an AI system that detects danger before anyone else even knows it exists. And in the next 60 seconds, that AI prevents a tragedy humans have been trying to stop for decades. Hi, I'm Nova, and today, I'm going to show you how artificial intelligence saved a rhino's life, in a way no human ever could. Hey, let's dive in. Before I tell you how that night ended, you need to understand something. Rhinos are dying, fast. Every 10 hours, a rhino is killed by poachers. Why? Because their horn is worth more than gold, up to $60,000 per kilo on the black market. And here's the terrifying part. There are fewer than 18,000 white rhinos left in the world. 50 years ago, there were 70,000. But you can do the math. Traditional methods don't work anymore. Human rangers can't monitor thousands of acres 24 hours a day. When they discover an intrusion, it's already too late. Until one South African startup, Rhino Technology, came up with a brilliant idea. What if we put AI, literally, around the rhino's neck? And so, Rhino Watch was born. A smart AI-powered collar that learns the rhino's natural behavior and instantly detects when something goes wrong. Let me explain. Each Rhino Watch collar has motion sensors, GPS, accelerometers, and most important, a neural network trained to understand animal behavior. The AI learns everything about that specific rhino, how it walks, where it drinks water, when it sleeps, who it interacts with. For example, if a rhino visits the same waterhole every day at 6 a.m., the AI knows that routine. If one day he doesn't go, or if he suddenly runs, or if his heart rate spikes, the AI knows something is wrong. And here comes the genius part. The system doesn't just detect threats, it predicts them. How? By combining data from everything happening in the reserve. Other animals' movements, weather patterns, historical poaching maps. The AI can say, suspicious behavior in the north sector. 87% probability it's poachers, not a leopard or another rhino. More than 1,200 rhinos now wear Rhino Watch, protecting 500,000 hectares across South Africa. And yes, it uses NVIDIA technology to process everything in real time. Let's go back to that night. It's 11:47 p.m. A male rhino named Kgosi sleeps peacefully with his calf. 3 poachers cut the fence and enter the reserve. They know exactly where Kgosi is. They tracked him for days. But here's where the counterattack begins. 11:48 p.m., second 0. The cut fence triggers the first alert. AI thermal cameras detect 3 human figures. Second 15. The system cross-checks data. Nighttime plus stealth movement, plus direct trajectory. 92% chance of illegal hunting. Second 25. Automatic red alert sent to the command center. Drones with infrared cameras take off. Second 35. Rangers are woken up. Exact coordinates go straight to their phones. Engines start. Second 45. Poachers get within 200 meters of Kgosi. Rhino Watch detects the rhino's heart rate spike. He's stressed. Second 50. Drone arrives. Thermal vision confirms. 3 armed humans, 1 adult rhino, 1 calf. Second 58. Rangers enter the reserve, headlights off, night vision on. Second 60. Sirens, drone spotlights on. The trap closes. 2 poachers are captured. 1 escapes. Kgosi and his calf? Safe. Alive. Total time from detection to intervention? 60 seconds. Before Rhino Watch, it took hours, if anyone even noticed. This tech didn't just save Kgosi. Since Rhino Watch was installed, poaching in those reserves dropped 96%. Yes, 96%. And it didn't stop there. The technology spread. Now, similar systems protect. Pangolins in Uganda, gorillas in Gabon, orangutans in Malaysia. The organization Conservation AI processes 12.5 million images per month, identifies 4+ million individual animals, and monitors 68 species. They even caught a pangolin poacher by analyzing real-time camera footage. He was arrested before he left the forest. And here's something even more incredible. AI doesn't just protect, it teaches. The data helps scientists understand migration routes, mating behavior, climate impact, everything that used to take decades. One biologist can now do in one day with AI what used to take an entire year. Whales. AI in the Pacific identifies whale songs and warns ships before collisions. Result? Collisions dropped 60%. Sea turtles. AI drones scan beaches, detect nests, and stop predators automatically. Elephants. AI collars detect when elephants approach villages, preventing human-animal conflict. Even bees. AI monitors hives, detects diseases early, and fights colony collapse. A system that started saving rhinos became a global movement. So next time someone asks you, "What's the point of artificial intelligence?" Tell them this story. Tell them about Kagosi. Tell them about the 60 seconds that changed everything. Because AI isn't just about making cool images or writing text. It's about saving lives, protecting species, and giving our planet a future. And here's the craziest part. This is happening right now. While you're watching this, thousands of animals are being protected by AI, 24 hours a day. If you enjoyed this story, hit the like button. Share it with someone who loves animals or technology. And tell me in the comments, which endangered animal do you want to see protected by AI next? I read all the comments. And your idea might become the next video. I'm Nova, and together, we're saving the world, one algorithm at a time. See you in the next one.